What is going on, YouTube? Liddy Click fam, what's up? We're at our friend Lynn's house right now. She's about to do Rojas' hair, so it's a little Sunday fun day video. No car shit, though. It's more like beauty shit, so might be changing up our style these days. Just can't stop. I like this view. I just like my car sitting like right there. Too bad it's on stocks, but alright, man, I'm about to get to this shit, so let's get inside, get done vaping, and yeah, watch Rojas get his fucking hair done. Oh, check out this dope ass Hell Scent hoodie. It's dope as fuck. Can't show you the back, but it's on my Instagram. Or no, it's not. It's there. I'll give you the link to their Instagram right here. I'll pop it up. Boom, boom. But yeah, let's get in here and do this shit.
Read the instructions.
What are you doing? Hair must be dry. Put those on. It just says put that shit in the bottle, mix it up. Just pour it on your hair.
Good doggy. Oh shit. Where's the Hell Scent? Little amps in the side, bitch. Drink. Motherfucker. It's fucking lit. Ashland City Hair Salon. I'm so happy. My hair ain't getting dye. Hey, Junior.
Hold your head back.
Dude, she's saucing on your ass, bro.
It smells.
It's sriracha sauce.
Smells like bleach.
I'm digging the zebra print shower curtain. Real nice.
Did you see my zebra towel over here?
On the wall?
No, on the other side of this cabinet.
It's starting to itch now.
Yep, it's gonna itch.
I'm gonna do a tour of Lynn's house while y'all are doing this. We're doing MTV Cribs at Lynn's place. Some dope ass fucking.
I'm gonna have a party.
I moved this shit in. I did all this. I hooked it all up. Boom.
Probably late May after I get back from break.
Rich ass. Shit.
Yeah, but you guys smoke.
We vape in our apartment. We don't smoke, Lynn.
What?
We vape. Bro, I'm doing MTV Cribs, man. These stairs are fucking dope as shit. How the fuck you cut the lights on this bitch? Boom, boy. This motherfucking huge ass. She's balling, bro. TV big the motherfucker. Rich ass. Dude, the bathroom dope too. I don't know the switch is in this mother. What the fuck? Okay, here we go. This is a dope ass house. And then this shit right here. I forgot how this contraption works. Boy, bet. Stupid nice. Hope my hands aren't dirty. Oh shit, I left it open. Got too much money. Dope as fuck though. I like this little balcony view. This is my favorite part of this house. But alright, we gotta get back to the hair dyeing. Nice mohawk, bro. Huh? That the fucker? Yeah, in Chinatown. Start wearing your hair in a mohawk, bro. Mohawk would still look good. I'm all in your grill. You look Chinese right now with your eyes closed. She's shitting on you. video is brought to you by some Gato Negro. That fire. Alright, 2 lucky subscribers will get $50 on Amazon. They share this page and get subscribers for us. Fucking do it.
She loves you. Huh?
Ignore that shit. $50, fam.
Bleach.
That boy got shit in his head. Get your ass upstairs. What's a fucking doo-doo emoji up here? Fucking Southside suicide.
Does it feel better?
Golden. You're going Super Saiyan right now, bro?
Yeah, you can go look at it in the mirror.
You're like a Dragon Ball Z character. That crazy shit, boy. Super Saiyan.
I have wine.
No, I'm good. Pass on the wine. Beer work.
I have sweet wine.
How to go Super Saiyan, bitches.
Ready to rinse it out?
Man, that is... It's a wrap, fam. How to go Super Saiyan.
Feel that. And is it too hot?
Subscribe, comment, like. Boom, boom. You know what to do. Get that shit rolling.